bedrooms are some of the best ever. But we want to know what you
Who's
think.
ready to win their
Vote
agent?
for your favourite and you could win $20,000
Who's ready to win some cash?
Enter now at the Block website
So
for your
let's
chance to
play.
win. And follow at the Block to chat with other Blockaholics
This
on social.
high-stakes game of skill and cunning tests our blockheads' knowledge of the local real estate market. Earlier, our 5 couples visited 5 high-end Brighton homes and met the top 5 agents in the area.
It was literally speed dating. Go in, meet the agent, talk about them, quickly look at the house.
Domain says 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms.
And with the help of the Domain app,
Come up with a price that each of the houses was worth.
At the end of the day, if you get the closest to the price quote, you get that agent.
Let's give our first agent a warm block welcome. We call him the postman because he always delivers. From Bell Property, David Wood.
Woodsy, welcome, mate.
Thank you, Scotty.
Are you nervous? First game show?
Yes, very nervous.
Mate, stretch it out, buddy. Stretch it, stretch it. Touch your toes, Dave. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Bend over.
He's too shy.
Well, that's embarrassing.
We've lost him.
No,
Scotty
not so
was-
much the farts, it's Scotty's reaction. He's like a little child. He just lost it.
Yo, beauty.
That was a wet one.
How about you talk us through and remind us about the property you showed us today?
We had a wonderful home in Brighton we showed today.
A stunner.
Oh, this is nice.
Set on 850 square metres near Melbourne's best schools, this heritage stunner has 4 large bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a ginormous kitchen and outside a swimming pool. But it's the house's period details that really stand out.
It's like adds to the
Wow,
charm,
if that
doesn't
bar
it?
could tell stories.
I
hey?
know.
Yeah, make me a cocktail. Well done. I'll have an espresso martini, please.
Holy smoke, that is some serious corners.
Getting some good ideas.
Beautiful.
You get to pick an agent today, so you got to gel with the agent you're going for.
We worked with
Tess and Luke last year.
Did very well. Did very well.
enjoyed a really good association with the block over about 10 seasons.
I love the agent. Considering his reputation and his winning streak,
We don't even need to go to the other places. We know what we want.
can we just block it in?
Obviously, they were winners last year. You know, I'm sure he wants to back it up again this year. So, you know, it'd be awesome to have them on board. Domain. Oh, it's got the local school catchment.
Yeah, medium price trend, 2.7. Yeah.
No pressure for us to pick the right price today.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, contestants, it's time to block in your price.
Oh, music, hang on. I got it.
Thank you.
Big strategy involved. We had to go hard at the start because we wanted Dave.
Are you ready? Yeah. Reveal your prices. 3.25, 4.5, 4.5,
4 million.
2.7. Hang on a minute.
All right, David, I think it's time to reveal your price for this beautiful home. $0.3 million. We have a tie here between George and Sarah and Daniel and Jade.
When we did the game cards, we knew that someone was onto us because they wanted him as well and they were on exactly the same money as we were.
Yeah.
It's coming down to block, paper, scissors.
I think Dan or David.
Yeah, I think he wanted David,
yeah, he looked a bit stressed when we were going out there for scissors, paper, rock. Thought he was going to have an aneurysm.
He was our number 1 pick.
You go.
I'll do it. You can handle him?
George,
I'll do
Daniel.
it.
I'll send Jade out against the big George.
Yeah.
There's everything to play for today to get the man
We want.
Ready?
You got this, Jade.
I knew she'd polish off George. I knew George would be a rock or a scissor man.
Sorry, babe.
That's all right.
It wasn't meant to be. And Sarah said this before, so I'll take it as an omen.
Are we ready for the next round of
Block it in!
Now our should play AFL because he never misses the mark. It's Michael Townsend from McGrath.
Four real estate agents coming out in their $1,000 suits, not having a clue what they were walking into.
Come on in, Michael.
Tell us a little bit about the house.
All right, remind you guys, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a couple of 4 car parks. Is that me?
You're a child, Scotty.
All jokes aside, this house was beautiful. Walking into this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, resort-style home, basking in natural light, you'll feel like you're on holiday. And with the beach not far away, you may as well be.
Hi, guys. How you going?
Wow.
Well, we get that a bit.
Third season on the block. We podiumed every time so far, and
So first year, Hayden and Sarah won it. Last year, Andy and Deb.
We loved Andy and Deb's house, and they've taken the win at Gatwick. 3rd place, Oslo.
Yeah, exactly. So that's pretty good.
They know what they're doing.
Pretty good.
So we're getting back up there on...
Back to the top.
Yeah, back to the top. Take the gold.
And they won with Hayden and Sarah. That's
did.
huge. That means that they... And I don't know about you, but it came as a shock. But we're finding it quite hard to work out the property. That house
was massive.
Beautiful. That means massive price tag.
All right, teams, you know what to do. It's time to block it in.
Oh, there was definitely gameplay. Yeah, there was low bids to not get the agent they wanted.
All right, here we go.
5.5, and the winners are Jimmy and Ted.
We're stoked with McGrath.
No, we're happy.
Yeah,
we're really
stoked.
happy.
I mean, at the end of the day, these 5 agents have been chosen because they're the 5 best agents in Melbourne. So, I mean, it's a win-win for everyone.
Our next agent is Peter Kakos from the agency.
It's great to be here.
All right, Peter, you had a beautiful home on the Esplanade in Brighton. Talk us through the home.
Well, it was eclectic Brighton living, wasn't it?
This Brighton home will be something you remember. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and uber eclectic living spaces. And it's located on prime real estate, directly opposite the beach.
I'm intrigued by these blue doors.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's cool.
Wow. Andy Warhol live here. Oh, I just get a bit freaked out standing on here.
How you
Are
going?
you Greek?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm half Greek.
Peter was he's
Another
a legend.
fellow Greek.
Yeah, another Greek. We'll get along well.
Yeah.
We're really hoping that our valuation of the house comes super close to the valuation of these guys so that we get them as our agents.
It's a tough one to value. It's a tough one for agents as well. 3 bedrooms, but the most amazing living space. You could design it how you really want to design it. So, good luck.
Righto, Pete.
4.75, and the winners are Sarah and George. Congratulations.
We actually wanted him. Very happy.
All right, it is time to bring down our final 2 agents. Hallie Moore from Buxton's and Marty Fox from Whitehall.
Only Harry and Tash and Luke and Jasmine are left to fight it out for these agents.
It's too good.
Marty Fox, could you please remind us of the beautiful home that you had open for inspection today?
Would love to.
Just footsteps from the beach, this ultra-modern 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 4-garage home, beautifully finished throughout, is luxury personified.
Hello, welcome to our open house.
Welcome. Thank you for having us.
Now, you obviously found this on your domain shortlist.
We did.
You've taken a good look through the photos.
We have.
Yes.
Oh, what a house.
Ground level, very impressive.
Wow. Impressive.
3-metre high ceilings,
Yeah.
which is unheard of.
Yeah.
I really like the agents.
Good
Yeah.
We'll be trying to get really close to this one.
First thing you notice is you've got the beach at the end of the street and you are on a path.
Pretty beautiful.
Very rare to get a property on the park. A lot of properties opposite parks, but not on.
White Fox.
White Fox.
Really like the vibe of White Fox, and I'm comfortable if we were to get them
I'd be
as our
very
agent.
comfortable. Yes.
Oh, music, here we go. No, wrong one.
It's a million.
Oh.
It's a 5.
All right, we all want to know what Harley's house is worth, don't we?
Set in amongst the best of Brighton, this modern 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom showstopper holds its own. With rammed earth walls throughout, this unique property is made for entertaining.
Wow. Lovely space.
See, you've got,
Oh,
got the oak everywhere.
Put your own mark on it.
Yeah.
Should come up well.
I wanted Harley from Buxton. I'd actually already been in contact with Harley because he was highly recommended and a Brighton specialist.
Domain says 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3 car spaces.
Huge open plan.
Multiple living areas. Boom, boom, boom.
5.85.
Slide it out nice and slow, mate.
Yes, yes.
You got it.
So, looks like it was meant to be. It's meant to be.
Who's meant to be? Exactly. All right, who's ready to win some cash? I said, who's ready to win some?
Yes, $5,000 cash from Domain and, of course, the all-important bonus point gnome. There is everything to play for tonight.
I want the golden gnome so bad. It's actually called
The sandy gnome.
the sandy gnome, so I want it bad.
We want the sandy gnome.
So to win this fabulous prize, you have to work out how much this home was worth when it was first built.
This is a house.
The whole thing.
The whole thing, one family home.
As I thought it was like a 27-storey apartment block.
Built in one of the most expensive suburbs of Mumbai in India.
3 helipads and 4 levels dedicated just to the hanging garden. It is possibly the most extravagant family home ever built. But the question is, how much was it valued at when it was first built?
When was it built?
Let me go upstairs.
None of your business.
It was built recently.
1 million.
Mate, I had no idea. I said, Jay, just go a couple $1,000,000 per level.
Oh my God, that Mumbai building threw us for a bloody loop.
Okay, show us your figures. Oh.
177.
80 million. 55 million. 54 million. 177 million. And $403 million.
We were way up at 403 million, and I was just like, oh no, we look like fools.
Here we go. The most expensive home in India is worth Oh my God, they've got a bonus point!
Should we joke about it? Should we joke about this?
I have no idea
I don't
what to
know.
feel.
I don't know.
They were shouting cash.
Yeah.
Jimmy and Tam take the win.
Who won?
Jimmy and Tam. Listen, Jimmy and Tam.
What about it?
They won.
I won again. I told you, $1 billion.
I know, I just sort of thought, like,
No.
it's cheap to build in
No,
India.
no, that's a $1 billion house, Jasmine. I'm never ever listening to you again. Ever.